Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the sample rate for your microphone is not supported error on your Windows computer. So if you're trying to open up the Xbox app or another application on your computer and you are coming across this error message, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down until you find recording audio. Find and fix problems for recording audio, and then select run the troubleshooter. So hopefully if it gives you any suggestions here, I recommend following along with whatever comes up on the screen there. So again, pretty straightforward. Select close out of here. Now open up the start menu, type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager. Go ahead and left click on that. Expand the sound, video, and game controllers. And now whatever audio device is listening here, you want to right click on it. Select update driver. Select browse my computer for driver software. And then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select next. Select yes. And now select close. Restart your computer. Hopefully again that would have been able to resolve your problem. Another thing you can try if you open up the start menu and type in settings, or you can click on the gear icon, whatever you prefer. We're going to open up settings here and then select the gaming tile. And there should be something that says Xbox networking on the left side. Now if currently you have a connection here and you're already hooked up to your Xbox connection, so we're just going to give it a second to load up here. You want to select the fix it option right here. So we probably will need to restart our computer, so pretty straightforward. At that point, close out of here, restart your computer. Another thing you try to be to actually reinstall the Xbox app. So if you open up the start menu, type in apps, best match should come back with apps and features, or it should be one of the best matches here. So we're going to select apps and features. You can go through the settings window as well and then just select the apps and features tile if you want. I just find this to be a little more direct. And into the search this list field, we're going to type in Xbox. One of the best matches should come back with Xbox Console Companion. Left click on that and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down here until you find the reset option. If the app isn't working right, reset it. This app will be reinstalled and revert to its default settings. Your documents will not be affected. We're going to go ahead and select that. This will permanently delete the apps that on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. Before you select reset, just make sure everything's all backed up in a secure location, so you have everything backed up. If everything's cleared out of your computer library, that your files are still safe somewhere else. So anyway, we're going to go select reset. And once that's done, I would suggest closing out of here, restart your computer once again, and hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.